if we get a truck like this, say hi. If we get a truck like this, we get excited because then we are getting one of these. A new box. Okay, a new box, that's totally trick. New bike in a box. Hey, Van Food, let's open this thing. Let's show the people what we got. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is brand new. Out of the box. And I'm like a baby boy. Ready for my Christmas present. Let's open this thing up. Oh man. Okay. So what we've got here is the Sym 2021 Trail Blaze 200. There we go. There we go. Alright, so let's put this thing together and show them Van Food. See you now. Bye. I'm back. Okay, so we got something cool. So we just showed you the beginning of how this bike comes in a crate, okay? So what you'll notice, this one is already out of the crate. And it's blue. Like, what? Why is it blue and the one that you just uncrated was red Zander? The reason for that is we're still busy and I actually started building the blue one before the red one. So I just have to do it. Let's take it. Let me show you guys. There we go. That is the Sym Trail Blaze 200. It's a good looking bike. Well, not the best looking bike. It's really not the best looking bike out there, but it does the job. Let me tell you that this is very, very good quality. We've been selling them for quite some time. Just do a walk around to show you guys. You see, so it's got these like a sort of on off-road tire, so that you can go a little bit off-road as well. If you need to, so that helps out a lot, you know, because there's always somewhere where you have to go on a small dirt road or something like that, and this is quite cool. That's why the fender is quite high, the mud guard's quite high, and the 200 is quite good, ladies and gentlemen. This 200 is actually a 170, a 168 cc's. Gives you in the region we get in South Africa, we get, that's about between 27 and 30 kilometers per liter, which is not bad. I mean, and for the price that you pay for this, 20,000, I think it's 21,000 rand. I mean, that's nothing for what you get, ladies and gentlemen. And that's a Sym Blaze, Trail Blaze 200 for you.